What's up, everyone? Welcome to Financial Mindset, your ultimate destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom, where we demystify personal finance and empower you to take control of your financial future. My name is Samuel, a faceless UGC and curated content creator, and I'm passionate about sharing practical tips and insights that can help you build wealth, manage debt, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're here to learn the basics of budgeting, discover smart investing strategies, or plan for retirement, this channel is your one-stop shop for success. But wait, it doesn't stop there. This channel is more than just videos. It's a thriving community of like-minded individuals on a journey of financial growth and self-improvement. So if you're my kindred and you're ready to take your financial skills to the next level and unlock your full potential, I urge you to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community together. Let's turn your dreams into reality. Remember, the journey to success is never a solo mission. Let's support each other, let's inspire each other, and let's create a future where anything is possible. I hope to see you around.